Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs for the coming week. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, March 27th, 1:30 PM we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. And at 10:30 PM we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. We don't have any news for US dollar on Monday. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the price action in daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to bounce back from the support level of 1617 and to sharply rally on a very strong bullish trend. After testing the resistance level around the level of 1960, we have noticed a price action to retrace to make a double bottom pattern and again broke the previous high and tested the resistance zone between 1980 to 2010. So this zone is currently acting as a very strong resistance zone or the supply zone for the past price action. And the current market is finding difficulty to break this resistance zone. And in case if the price action breaks this resistance zone, next level of resistance zone is going to be between 2051 to 2072. This level is also from the past price action supply zone, and this will be acting as a very strong resistance zone because this is from the daily time frame. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, so previously we have noticed the price action to trade between this bullish channel pattern, and it was trading with a very strong bullish trend. Again we have noticed it to break the support line of the bullish channel pattern, made a retracement. Again when it bounced back, we can notice that the bullishness has weakened. Although it has broken the previous high, it did not manage to break the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern. So from this we can understand that the bullishness is becoming weaker for now. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance zone or the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in daily time frame. And if the price action manages to break this resistance zone, next target is going to be the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern or the next resistance zone, which is going to be between 2072 to 2051. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance zone between 2016 to 1979, we can expect a bearish side retracement to start, and next level of support is going to be around 1939. And once this support level is broken, it will be forming into a double top pattern, which means we can expect it to retrace up to the level where it started its bullish side retracement. So next level of support is going to be around 1887 and 1809. And if the price action manages to break this resistance zone, next level of resistance is going to be around 2051 and 2076. And once this resistance zone is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 2149. It's a very high target because this is a daily time frame. So for now, wait for the price action to break this support level of 1979 in order to enter on the retracement trade on the bearish side. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and in 4 hours time frame we can clearly notice that the price action was in a very strong bullish trend, and after testing the resistance level of 2009, we have noticed a price action to trade on a sideways price action. So for the 4 hours time frame, it is very clear that this level, which is 2010, is going to be acting as a very strong resistance. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action fails to break this resistance zone, we can expect the price action to start forming the double top pattern. So to get the confirmation, I would recommend you to draw a trend line or support line like this. Once the price action breaks this support level, it will be the confirmation on the start of the bearish side retracement. And once the price action breaks this next level of the double top pattern, it will be the confirmation on the formation of the head and shoulder pattern. And for now the price action is still in a bullish trend and consolidating within this support line and the resistance line. Wait for it to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side to get a directional momentum 4 hours time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. For now the price action is trading between the support level of 1968 and resistance level of 1997. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1968, next level of support is going to be around 1938, 1912, 1888, 1854 and 1809. And if the price action breaks this resistance zone on the bullish side, which means it will be breaking the resistance level of 2010, next level of resistance is going to be around 2018. This is a very strong resistance zone from the daily time frame. Once this resistance level is broken, we can expect the bullish trend to start in 4 hours time frame also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we are noticing it to be trading on a sideways momentum. So I am going to draw a resistance line in order to understand the current trend of the price action. So based on this resistance line and the support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can notice that it is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, which means there is no direction in the market for now. Wait for it to give a breakout on the bullish side from this triangle pattern and also from the resistance zone in order to take trades in the bullish side, or wait for it to give a breakout from this support line from the 4 hours time frame in order to enter into the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. But as I explained in the 4 hours time frame, if the price action breaks this support level of 1938, we can expect it to form a double top pattern. Wait for the price action to break this support level if you want to take trades based on the patterns. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1974 and resistance level of 1985. Based on the breakout on Monday, you can take trades on the bearish side or on the bullish side. If the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, the immediate support is going to be around 1965, 1956, 1943, 1927, 1905 and 1889. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bullish side, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1985. Once this resistance level is broken, it has to break this resistance zone from the 4 hours time frame, which is between 1997 to 2010. We have a hourly time frame resistance level also, which is around 2003. Next level of resistance is going to be around 2018, 2039, 2050 and 2065. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, from the support level of 1938, we have noticed a price action continuously trend on the bullish trend, and after testing this resistance zone between 2010 to 1997, we have noticed a price action to form a double top pattern, and it has also breached this neck level of the double top pattern, and we are noticing the price action to retrace back on the bearish side. So on the retracement, the immediate support is going to be the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. Once this support line is breached, we can expect it to retrace back to the level where it started its bullish side retracement, which is going to be around 1938. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1979 and support level of 1973. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1973, next level of support is going to be around 1965, 1954 and 1941. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaches this resistance level of 1979, we can expect the next level of resistance to be around 1985, 1991 and 2003. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame and currently the price action is taking between the resistance level of 1980 and support level of 1975. Here in 15 minutes time frame we are noticing the price action to make a similar to one double bottom pattern, and if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1980, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start. The next level of resistance is going to be around 1985, 1989, 1992, 1994, 1997 and 2002. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1975, next level of support is going to be around 1967. So to summarize, currently we are noticing the consolidation to start in higher time frames, and we are seeing several trend reversal patterns formed in the lower time frames. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in the higher time frame if you want to take a directional trade in gold based on the higher time frames, and if you are a scalper, you could be scalping within this consolidation in the lower time frames. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.